Good morning, children. On our last run, as you know, we were reading our lesson A Fellow Traveler by A.G. Gardner. I think you have understood the lesson. Even then, if anyone of you has any difficulty, problem, confusion, you can ask me. So now we will continue our next paragraph. See, I flicked him off again. He skipped away, took another jaunt round the compartment, returned, and seated himself impudently on the back of my hand. It is enough. I said, magnanimity has its limits. Twice you have been warned that I am someone in particular, that my august person resents the tickling impertinence of strangers. I assumed the black cat. I condemn you to death. Justice demands it, and the court awards it. The counts against you are many. You are a vagrant. You are a public nuisance. You are traveling without a ticket. You have no mean coupon. For these and many other misdemeanors, you are about to die. I struck a swift, lethal blow with my right hand. He dodged the attack with an insolent ease that humiliated me. My personal vanity was aroused. I lunged at him with my hand, with my paper. I jumped on the seat and pursued him round the lamp. I adopted tactics of feline cunning, waiting till he had alighted, approaching with a horrible stealthiness, striking with a sudden and terrible swiftness. Very, very, very important passage, children. बोर्ड एग्जाम्स में बहुत बार ये पैसेज आया है. Very important passage and having some difficult words. So, first of all, let's do the difficult words. Okay? Write down the meaning of the difficult words. Skipped away. Skipped away means flew off. Skipped away means flew off. उड़कर चला गया. Next, impudently. I-M-P-U-D-E-N-T-L-Y. Impudently means insolently. Means insolently. I-N-S-O-L-E-N-T-A-L-L by. Insolently, shamelessly. Insolently या shamelessly. In Hindi you can say अशिष्टता या बेशर्मी से. You understand? Now the next difficult word for you is magnanimity. Magnanimity. M-A-G-N-A-N-I-M-I-T-Y means generosity. Means generosity. Generosity. G-E-N-E-R-O-S-I-T-Y. Generosity यानी कि उदारता. You can say हृदय की विशालता. Do you understand? Now Children, the next difficult word for you is in particular. In particular means विशेष, खास. And next is august. August means venerable, majestic. venerable, venerable, or you can say majestic. majestic, majestic यानी कि आदरणीय, शानदार. recents, recents, recents. The meaning of the word recents is feels angry, or you can say does not like, पसंद ना करना या रोष करना. Now next difficult word is tickling. tickling. Tickling means causing. Unwelcome sensation. Means नापसंद आने वाला भाव पैदा करने वाला. The next is assume. assume. Assume means take upon. धारण करना. Black cap means black cloth assumed by judges when, black caps या black cloth assumed by judges when sentencing death to a prisoner. यानी कि मृत्युदंड सुनाने से पहले न्यायाधीश काली टोपी धारण करता है. नेक्स्ट इज condemned you to death. Means give judgment that you are to die. तुम्हें मृत्युदंड देने का निर्णय सुनाना. counts. Counts means charges. charges यानी कि आरोप. The next word is children vagrant. Means vagabond. Vagabond means आवारा. Public nuisance. Our next difficult word is public nuisance. Public nuisance means illegal act. Harmful to the people in general. Next is meat coupon. Meat coupon means permit to buy meat. यानी कि मांस खरीदने का कूपन. Now the next word is misdemeanors. Misdemeanors means misdeeds. या acts of mischief. यानी कि दुर्व्यवहार करना, शरारत के कार्य करना. Next is lethal. Lethal means deadly, घातक. या घातक. अब the next word is DOD, DOD means होता है escaped. escaped यानी कि पैतरा बदलकर बच जाना. Insolent means insulting. अपमानजनक. Humiliated. Humiliated also means put to shame. Put to shame यानी कि लज्जित कर देना. Vanity. Vanity means vanity. Vanity means conceit. Yeah, having too high opinion of oneself. Having too high opinion of oneself. यानी कि घमंड, अहंकार. Lunged. Lunged. Lunged means made a sudden forward movement. Made a sudden forward movement. यानी कि एकाएक आगे झपटा. एकाएक आगे झपटा. Pursued. Pursued means followed. Pursued. Pursued means followed. यानी कि पीछा करना. Adopted. The next word is adopted. Adopted means अपनाया. The next is tactics. 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 Tactics means clever ways. Clever ways. यानी कि युक्तियां, तरकीबें. ठीक है. The next word is feline cunning. Feline cunning is a good word, good phrase, means cat-like cleverness. Cat-like cleverness यानी कि बिल्ली की तरह मक्कारी. Horrible. The next is horrible. Horrible means fearful. Horrible means fearful. भयंकर. And now, children, next word is stealthiness. Stealthiness means doing secretly and quietly. Doing secretly and quietly. यानी कि चोरी चुपके से. Means चोरी and चुपके से. Do you understand? I think now you have finished the difficult words. So I am just going to explain the whole paragraph in simple English words, and be attentive, children. This is the most important paragraph. Reference. Now you can write by yourself. So many times I have told you how to write the reference. So I think you can now prepare it by yourself. And so far as your context is concerned, so during his rail journey, the writer Mr. A.G. Gardner was teased by a mosquito whom the writer calls his fellow traveler. Do you understand? Now I am going to explain the whole paragraph. In this passage, the author points out that he did not like the rude, mischievous behavior of the mosquito. He removed him with a blow again and again. Since the mosquito went on disturbing him continuously, he removed his fellow traveler each time. But the mosquito was so rude. The mosquito was so rude and misbehaved that it continued its mischief, and the writer could not sit in peace in the compartment. And after this, the writer got angry. He said that he would not tolerate it any more, as there was a limit to his kindness. He gave. Yes, the writer got angry and he said that he would not tolerate it any more, as there was a limit to his kindness. He gave warning to it twice. The writer was not an ordinary person. He was someone special. He was respectable. He felt insulted by the uneasy sensation caused by a stranger like the mosquito. He was not prepared to tolerate this disrespect. So, he took upon himself the role of a judge. Becoming a judge, he sentenced the mosquito to death. Justice demanded that it should be put to death. So, the court gave orders that it should be killed. Okay, children? Now we have finished this important paragraph, and one more thing that I just want to mention. Children, be attentive for this audio and कोशिश करिए इसको आप एक बार नहीं बार बार सुने. And one more important thing is that in your English period आप इस ऑडियो को सुने इसलिए क्योंकि इंग्लिश पीरियड में ही अगर आपको कोई प्रॉब्लम, कोई कंफ्यूजन, डाउट्स होते हैं, यू कैन आस्क इट एट वंस. आप तुरंत ही इससे मैसेज करके मुझसे पूछ सकते हैं. लेकिन आप क्या करते हैं, आप दूसरे सब्जेक्ट में बिजी हो जाते हैं और सोचते हैं ऑडियो तो हम बाद में सुन लेंगे. तो बच्चों, बात तो कभी भी नहीं आता. जो आपका शेड्यूल में जो टाइम इंग्लिश के पीरियड का अलॉटेड है, जिसमें मैं आपको ये पढ़ा रही हूँ, उसी में आप इसको ध्यान देकर सुनिए, पढ़िए इसको. क्लासरूम में तो यही होता था ना, इंग्लिश के पीरियड में इंग्लिश पढ़ते थे, किसी दूसरे सब्जेक्ट के पीरियड में दूसरा सब्जेक्ट. ओके, उसी तरह से डिसिप्लिन में रहिए, अच्छे से पढ़िए. द लेसन इज इम्पॉर्टेंट एंड डिफिकल्ट ऑल्सो. ओके चिल्ड्रेन, एंड दिस इज योर होमवर्क, दिस इज योर असाइनमेंट. आप अपने पैराग्राफ्स एक्सप्लेनेशन के लिए तैयार करते चलिए. किसी भी दिन आपका सरप्राइज टेस्ट लूंगी. योर एक्सप्लेनेशन विद रेफरेंस, कॉन्टेक्स्ट एंड yes, critical notes.